If you're a fan of Wayne Dyer, then you know that he talks a lot about quantum moments. So in my eyes, quantum moments are moments where you know that you are being pulled up into a higher level of consciousness. You are leveling up in your awareness. And this video is about the quantum moment that basically catapulted me out of depression and empowered me to go inwards and to more confidently step into the sort of woman that I've always really wanted to be. So I hope you enjoy this video, and please make sure you like, share, subscribe, all of that jam if you find this content valuable, and a lot more coming your way, and sending you all my love. Thank you. Bye. Hey, what's up? My name is Amrita Money, and I'm a leadership and purpose coach. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about my journey. And I've got notes here, and I'm just gonna ad-lib because I love this. I love talking about this stuff, so let's see where it goes. About a decade ago, I had really severe depression, and I was struggling with generalized anxiety, and also basically I hated myself. So inside out, I hated the way I looked, I hated the way I sounded, I hated what I was doing with my life. There was just this core feeling of self-loathing throughout my entire self, throughout my entire essence, throughout my entire being. And I didn't know what to do. I didn't think that I could come out of it. I felt like I was just stuck in this really dark place, and no one understood what I was going through, and I was suffering in silence, not knowing whether I would ever have another day in my life where I felt hope and happiness. I just come home, and I remember I was feeling really, really depressed. As I came home, I walked into the garden. And that day, I just remember the garden, and that day was just beautiful. Like everything was perfect. The sky, I still remember everything like it was Technicolor, like it was something out of The Wizard of Oz. Like the grass was like bright emerald saturated green, and the skies were just like beautiful rich blue. And we used to live near the lake, and so the lake was just shimmering like gold and silver in the background, and there were flowers blooming of all different colors, and like butterflies. It was like a movie. And I was standing there with this beautiful, beautiful world around me, feeling like total crap. And I had an aha moment at that point, where I looked out into the world and I realized, you know what? What's happening outside of me is beautiful right now, but I feel like shit. So that must mean that my experience of life is my own doing. And if it's my own doing and my experience of my life is internal to me, that means I can fix this. I need to change. I need to take control. My experience of life is an internal thing. And ever since I had that moment, my life changed. I started meditating. I started going inwards. That's when my inward journey began. And over the last decade, that inward journey has been nothing short of transformational and incredible. I was able to figure out my purpose in life, my big vision and mission, and it has a lot to do with India, which I'll share a little bit more about later. I also figured out how to master healing myself, because it's not enough just to find your vision or your purpose. You need to become the person capable of completing that mission or purpose. That's when you're going to start to see all of these wounds and all of these pains and traumas and self-sabotage starting to appear. So how do you handle that? You need to heal. You need to go inwards. You need to be honest with yourself, and you need to work out all of the blocks and shift it out of the system so you can go get what you want. So I figured out my purpose. I figured out how to heal myself, and I also figured out how to master my mindset and goal setting. And as a result of these three things, over the last decade, if you look at where I started, you know, in my very early 20s as this depressed young girl who was so scared to even use her voice. I used to be afraid to pick up the phone. I would have like anxiety to talk to people on the phone. I started out there, and over the last decade, I've been able to accomplish incredible things in the material world, such as working at the United Nations, working at the World Bank, working for the Indian and US governments, graduating from an Ivy League MBA as like one of the youngest in my cohort, and now running my own business. So all of these incredible things, and I'm telling you, this isn't to like brag. This is to tell you, like, I literally started from the bottom, now we here. And it's just because I had to teach myself those three key things. And that is why I coach people. That is why I I love working especially with young people, especially with young women. That is why I am starting this channel, because I want you to get to this point and beyond much faster than I ever did. And I know you can do a million times better than I did. I know you can do it a million times faster than I did. So all I'm going to do is basically give you everything that I learned. And I want you to become the greatest version of you, the most unapologetically authentic, happy, amazing leader version of you, who's just on purpose and ready to take life by its, I was gonna say something else, but to take life by its horns and lead, and lead, and lead. So that's why I'm here. That's why this channel is here. I didn't actually end up using any of these notes, so that's great. But hey, I was in a flow state because this is what I love to do. And I am so excited to start this channel, to have people like you watching, and to be able to be a part of your journey to becoming the most amazing version of you that you have always known that you could be. So, welcome, thank you. Leave a comment below and let me know. Just introduce yourself. Tell me what you're about. Tell me what's on your mind, what you're going through, and tell me how I can serve you, how I can help you, how I can empower you. That's me, you know? Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you get my videos when they come up. It's gonna be an awesome journey. I just wanna let you know I believe in you. I see the greatness in you. I see the fire and the passion in you, and I'm so excited to be a part of your journey. All right, I'm signing off.